In Bubba's room.
See, he went into another room.
They're in here playing the new tape.
Mark again. Now jump down there and get in that room. Hurry. Oh, you waited too long. Jump up and hit him in the head. Up. You've only got 2 more lives left. Up. You just got it. You like that truck, James?
Yeah. That's what I like the stores.
Sit down. Look at your tape. Look at your game on it. That's it right there.
Right here?
Yeah. You turn into a monster.
I didn't have a computer.
Oh, you already. Get that question mark and jump up and shoot it. Shoot it. Up, jump up and hit it, son.
The TV's sitting on it. You like your new sword?
Go in that room, hurry, hurry.
Clint!
Now run up there, jump up and hit him in the head.
Hi, Clint.
Jump up and hit him in the head.
Mom, look at this. Tanky doing this. How did we do this?
Silly.
Watch it.
Tanky do this.
Watch out for Clint. That's pretty neat. It glows in the dark real good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, when you're in a dark place, you can really see it shining, can't you?
Yeah. But as you outside, it's really real sun.
Go over there by the door and
Change
close
it.
the door.
You like that? It glow in the dark pretty good, James?
It's turned off by itself.
Oh.
Oh, you had something in there, didn't you? Look at me and don't smile, Clint.
Oh, if you land on top of these pink things, it kills you. Or it takes some of your life. See, I've only got 1 life left. And it got me because I hit that.
That race car driving.
Blamed you for her horrible
I don't know if TV will show up on this or not.
great self. And that's why she left
That's under my head.
you say that. And you hated John Bosniak. You blamed him for the loss of your wife. You waited for 15 years for revenge, and finally that day came, didn't it?
The jury is directed to ignore the defense counsel's last remark.
When Mr. Hackett told Sam Spelman that he
A
wanted
messy kitchen.
to play, even though it was only a preview, and that he hated. Yes. And you were present the next morning at the theater when you learned that Sam was going to go talk to Mr. Hackett.
Are you eating a cookie?
Maybe I can get this off of my fork.
No, I didn't rehearse. And you
Maybe can.
no. So they were
Okay.
bullying the
Hey, come on again.
saying about the whole scene.
Look,
Say, kid,
look.
are you
Uh-oh.
He tells me that Father Spot can't take his eyes off the stage. So he can't say whether we move the stage or not.
Can I get another one?
So we didn't see him for a few minutes. There's no way.
You want me to cut you a piece of cake?
Yeah.
You want me to cut you a piece of cake, Clint?
I disagree with
Huh?
that balcony on the hotel killed Mr. Happy. He would be above me all the time. And it's expensive with Tommy.
What are you doing, Jane?
No, I don't. Okay, yes.
That good?
This is Mr. Hackett's
That good, Clint?
breakfast menu for the morning trip. He had orange juice, coffee, toast, eggs, pancakes, syrup.
Just a minute, James. I'll cut you a piece.
But according to the police, when they come, no food was left untouched. So orange
That Clint.
especially.
I got no shadow.
Mr. Luke, if you wear
We got t-shirts. Mama.
What is it, babe? Oh, thank you.
Oh, these are candles. These are
Bubba made that hand thing for Christmas.
Oh, see my candles?
It's on a piece of tile.
Oh, look at my candles. When I was looking for take these. Right
Where you
here.
at?
Take these.
Take those. Just the candles?
Oh. Oh. Somebody want to see them on TV. Watch no news.